Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. In this particular video, I am going to talk a lot about CSAB 2021 counselling. So today's date is 28th November. That means CSAB 2021 registrations are open now. If you just see here, I am here at the CSAB 2021 official website. You can just see here registration, choice filling and locking for CSAB Special Rounds Counseling 2021. So if you just see the schedule, yesterday vacancies are all released. I already gave you update regarding that, and I also said you gave you one trick in that particular video about how to fill the choices. So still regarding that also I am going to talk in this particular video also. Please stay tuned till the end of the video. So today 28th November registration starts and ends on 30th November. So in between, so you have only 3 days, that is today, tomorrow and after tomorrow, for filling the choices. So if you miss these dates, your choice filling will not be completed. Okay, so make sure you complete your choice filling in these 3 days only. By Tuesday 30th November they will close the choice filling and you will get the first round allotment on 2nd December. So just to register there, just click this button register and enter your JEE Mains application number and password. So you already know how to do, and all right, for josaa you did the same thing. So after logging in, whatever amount it asks you to pay that amount. So if it asks you to pay for 37,000, pay that. So if it asks you to pay 2,000, pay that. For fast track your IIT preparation with Unacademy Super 20, so you will be having one test. You can enroll for this particular test. So top 500 rankers will get a chance to attend a 2-day in-person boot camp. So personalized scoreboard and analysis session by top educators. You can participate, crack and win up to 100% scholarships. So November 30 to December 12. Link in the description. Code is CHARANYT. And in this particular boot camp with top educators who have produced top rankers including Air 1, all expenses paid, in-person boot camp for 2 days. Guidance, study plan and tricks from top educators. Secret sauce to crack JEE, what it takes to secure top ranks. All things you will be getting in that particular boot camp. So you can enroll now and try to attempt the exam. And IIT mega offer, if you buy for 18 months you will get 3 months extra. You can subscribe now, offer valid till 30th November. And IIT November offer for iconic subscription. So if you buy for 6 months of iconic subscription, you will get 1 month extra extension. So this is also valid till 30th November, only for new users. All star crash courses for 3.0 batch. So for 11th standard JEE Mains and Advanced 2023, starting from 1st December, you can get ready for JEE 2023 with India's top educators. Complete class 11th in 4 months. Okay. So these are all the educators who are going to teach this particular all stars crash course 3.0 batch. So try to complete your registration by 30th November. And now comes to the main important thing. So many people are asking me whether if there is no vacant seat available in their preferred branch and in their category, they are saying that we should fill this or not. They are asking me this, we should fill that choice or not. And many people are also asking me that do we need to fill only those choices where seats are vacant. So these things also they are asking me. So my answer is no, don't follow vacancies again blindly. So regarding this I already spoke in last video. Once you can check that also, because see guys, if you are interested in so and so branch and if you are going to prefer that in your preference list, just fill all the options which you are interested in and which you want to prefer in your choice filling. So you can fill every option. It's not an issue at all. And the thing is, you need to understand the logic here. If one student goes from here to there, there will be one more slot left here. So that is what I mean to say. So just watch the cartoon which I am going to add after this, so that you will get a clear cut idea on what I mean to say about vacant seats and choice filling. Chalo then, just watch the cartoon. That's it guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.